How are you gonna do this?
Alright, grab this. Right, yeah. What's up, YouTube? Back at you guys with another video. I know y'all miss me, man. It's been freaking freezing. We've been busy with work and holidays and all that good stuff. But today, we're gonna be doing something totally different. As y'all can see, we got the Escalade in the garage. And we had to clean this whole garage up just to get this big boy in here. So, if you're new to the channel, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And we're going to get right into this video. If you read the title, you kind of know what's going on. But, man, this is going to be legendary, especially for the Silky Smooth game, the Coleman crew, Custom Instincts. So, we're going to get right into this video right after this intro. Peace.
You know I came through. You know I came through. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through. Hey, you know I came through. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through. Hey, you know I came through. Nowadays, I cannot lay low. I cannot lay low, yeah. I cannot lay low. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through with the hot shit. Talk of the town, I'm a top it. This young is so fly like a cockpit. If I ain't the party, it's not lit. Stop all the talking, I'm popping. But to be honest, this shit is not shocking. I wanna be rich at the moment.
Alright guys, we're pretty much ready to go. We got the wrap inside, getting ready to cut it. We already got our measurements, 69 inches, and then we're going as long as the roll is. We got to pop this chrome tab off. We're going to clean up under here, clean the whole hood with the alcohol, grease and wax remove it, and we'll be ready to go, guys. Y'all stay tuned. Right, brother?
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright guys, we got the chrome trim off. It was just a couple of tabs. We popped those off. Now we're gonna wipe this off. Get our dirt, debris off. The alcohol. We already got our piece cut to measurement, so we don't waste any material. That stuff was pretty expensive. You should do the same if you're gonna do this. And dang, that's dirty. Kind of get your edges too, cause you're gonna wrap around a little bit. Which, I mean, this is gonna hold that. That's gonna hold the wrap in place. All right, we'll get this out the way. I don't want that to get broken. Shut that a little bit. Alright, now we'll get a clean rag. This was just to get that dirty stuff off. We'll get a clean rag. Give me a... And we ain't got that much alcohol. I thought we had a whole nother bottle. So, but we're only doing the hood tonight, guys. I think we're just gonna do the hood tonight and get this knocked out. And I work a day job too, so I'm not trying to be in here all night. We did wash the vehicle, but still, you know, you got grease and wax and little fine stuff on it. See how that just came off? Yes, sir. We don't want to miss no spots. Yeah, I should have got some more alcohol. This is gonna be fun, guys. This is gonna be interesting. Especially y'all get to see Custom Instinct trying to knock this out. Yep. Alright, we're gonna hit the edges. We're gonna pop the hood up, hit the edges. Go back over this one more time. We'll turn y'all back on. We gotta get the heat gun hooked up. Make sure all our tools are in place. We got most of them right there. And yeah, see y'all in a little bit. Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and remove the tool cover that's helping. It's helping keeping it from getting scratched, but it's kind of bothering me. So we're gonna get that off. Now, we're gonna go ahead and pull the bottom, the vacuum paper. And it will take forever. Alright, come, it's not that. Dang, I got this. Watch that way. Cut again. Hey, don't do that.
How are you gonna do this?
Alright, grab this. Right, yeah.
I can
That's it. Keep holding it. I got it. Keep holding it. Keep holding it.
easy now.
Well, the faster we go, see how it comes out smooth? Brother, grab that white. Grab that white part.
Pull it.
Pull it. Pull it. Pull it. Alright. Get up there, brother. I'm gonna pull this up and you hold it up, alright? Now y'all get down close as y'all can get without touching. Right there, brother. You got it? Let's heat the center up a little bit. Just a little bit.
Hold it tight, brother.
Hold it tight. It ain't that heavy. Keep it up. Keep it up. Alright, brother. Stay right there until I get over there. Sorry, let's just move your hand that back hand towards my way. Cause remember, you're gonna have some laying over. Alright, brother, get down. Alright. Make sure you got your edge covered.
Yeah.
Alright, let's go. Pull down, pull out, hard as we can. Are you covered?
Yeah.
Alright, cool.
Eat it.
Yes sir, man. We finna.
Bubble.
Now I gotta work all this stuff out, guys. I gotta work all this stuff out. But we're gonna get it. We're gonna get it. We're gonna get it, Silky Smooth Gang.
Call me crew.
Call me crew. Woo. Alright.
Look at this paint.
That's not paint, it's a wrap.
I mean wrap. This wrap gonna be clean. I'm telling you, it's gonna be clean. On Cadillac, yeah.
But
Alright, guys. My wife helped us kind of get it laid on there, so now we're gonna start coming up. Try to get this thing to start shaping right. Oh shit. You know what? I'm gonna just start in the middle, guys, and then we'll start fixing all this.
Damn, Cam, this shit a vibe.
the camera went dead, but to all my painting buddies, man, hey, this stuff is pretty tough to do. But y'all already see I got this part looking like glass. I'm still working on everything else. It ain't no joke, I can tell you that. But just like anything else, man, you'll learn it as you go. So now I'm getting ready to pull all this back up, heat this up, try to get this to lay down. See y'all in a minute.